Not that time of day. Got a few of them coming out. Look out, they're going sideways. No, no, no. Scared you that time, didn't we? I do that every now and then. Just see if people's heads turn around. Okay, we got some up here. Where'd he go? Oh, they're up there. There's that lady walking around. Wife trying to keep that sun out of her eyes. Look, they're all swooping in now. Alright, where's all the rest of them? Usually there's more. There's some pretty parrots here. These are Quakers. Where's the real parrot? Well, we've got a few real parrots. What's up, parrots? Here they go, running off now. Oh, they're getting mad. Look at these guys. Now they're gonna fly. Oh, no, they're not gonna fly off yet. They're all gonna go flying up. Now they'll come back down. There they come, swooping them back down again. One by one. Okay, that's enough for now. They're all up in the tree. Look at them, like little vultures. Little vultures in a tree. Here they come. And this is nothing compared to like 50 of them sitting out here half the time.